Hey Flourishing Beauties, welcome back or welcome if you're new. I'm Adrian Justine and today I'm so excited because this video is in collaboration with Hair Flare, the makers of curl formers, waveformers, and many heat-free styling tools. I'm going to demonstrate how I use waveformers on my natural hair to achieve heat-free curls, but this is also great for transitioning hair, relaxed hair, and all hair types. So here's what you'll need. The waveformers I'm using are from the Ripple Flare Styling Kit. Now these are 22 inches, so if your hair is shorter than that, you'll be fine with these. Next, I'll be using Hair Flare Style Formers, which are the products they have to add definition, hold, and shine to your style. They're also said to nourish and encourage curls into their optimum shape and condition. And then I used another gel for extra hold. So this last one is optional. You can use a soft hooded dryer on the cool setting, which is what I did, or you can just air dry and get the same results. Let's get into the tutorial. So this is my section and I started by spritzing with water to make it more malleable. Then I'm going in with the Define Style Former followed by the Hold Style Former. And then on top of that, I just added some extreme gel because my hair can get very frizzy. So I just wanted that extra hold. Then I twist my hair twice at the root. Next, I take a waveformer and the hook that comes in the styling kit and push the hook through the waveformer. Once the hook is in the waveformer like this, just guide your hair into the hook and gently pull your hair away from the opening of the hook. Now, you want the hook to be about 2 inches from your scalp because you're going to start pushing the waveformer up the rod while you're pulling your hair through the waveformer with the hook. If you feel any tension at all, you can squeeze the opening of the waveformer and pull it down slightly to loosen it. So here's the next section and I'm repeating those same steps, defining, adding hold, adding extra hold, twisting the root a couple times, putting my hair into the hook 1.5 inches away from my scalp and guiding my hair into the waveformer by pulling the hook down while squeezing the opening of the waveformer and pulling it up. It's going to take a little practice for you to get it, but I promise you'll get the hang of it. And once you do, it's very straightforward. So here I'm using the Hair Flare Soft Hooded Dryer Bonnet and it's attached to my blow dryer, which is on the cool setting, but again you can air dry and get the same results. I did this for about half an hour and then air dried until the next day, which was about 18 hours later. It's really simple to take these out. Just squeeze the opening of the waveformer and stretch the waveformer, making it as straight as possible, and then gently pull it down. Once all the waveformers were out, I added the Nourish Style Former, and guys, this smells so good. It's also really lightweight and like a serum consistency, so I just squeeze this into my hair. And next I'm separating my hair by breaking the clumps apart to add volume, and I probably separated each section 2 to 3 times. Then I fluffed out the roots a bit with a wide tooth comb. You can use a pick if you have one. And these are my results. I absolutely loved my hair. I got so many compliments. And I love that this is a heat-free way to style your hair. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope this was helpful. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And a huge thank you to Hair Flare for this collab. Bye love, see you in the next video.